Guys, in this video, we'll try to look at all the exams which got delayed and which happened on time due to COVID. Now, my thumb rule was all the private exams are delayed, but all the private exam happen on time, but all the government exam got delayed. So let's look at the list here. So this is the exams which happened on time: CAT, ZAT, IBSAT, and MyCAT. These are the four exams which happened on time as per the expected date. No delay at all. So that's a very good strategy they've done. IBSAT went completely online. MyCAT, ZAT, only you can take the exam from home. Otherwise, CAT, ZAT, MyCAT was conducted by them without any problem. So that's the good. Obviously, there were some problems up and down because of the technical issue, but that happens every year. You can't blame COVID for that. Yeah. But the exam which got delayed, CMAT, we are expecting a delay, we still don't know. IFT got delayed by 60 days. SNAP exam got delayed by 20 days. The January one they have added. December one is happening on time, so no delay, but the January one which is added now is delayed by almost 20 days or 1 month. Yeah. This exam got delayed by 40 days and NMET exam got delayed by 40 days. Master CET I'm expecting might happen on time, but we have to wait and watch for that to come. So this to give you the estimate what happened this year. This cannot be, we cannot blame the college for that. यार कोविड में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आई थी यार. एग्जाम के लिए they have to conduct, is conducted by the third party, so the third party meeting have to happen, all these things have to happen. But on the other hand you can say जब CAT हो सकता है टाइम पे तो CMAT क्यों नहीं हो सकता टाइम पे, IFT क्यों नहीं हो सकता टाइम पे. So what we can say is all the government bodies delayed the exam. IFT, CMAT, TIS, all the government exam got delayed. But ऐसा तो NMET भी delay हुआ. CAT, ZAT, SIMBI all are happening on time. So if you want to add, you can add SNAP also. So SNAP is both. SNAP is happening in December also. SNAP is happening Jan also. आपको जब देना आप दे सकते हो. So this is to tell you, this is not related to the college, so you can't blame the college for that. Master CET we don't know the exact date, but मेरे ख्याल से December 13 के आजू बाजू होगा. Yeah. So this is just to tell you कौन सा एग्जाम कितना लेट चल रहा है. So इस हिसाब से we can also assume that admissions also this year might be delayed by some time, but not much. 30 days का delay चलता है. But see, last year they couldn't meet to decide. This year they already have decided. For example, I don't remember. I think TIS have already said the GDP will happen online. खत्म बात. इस बार पूरा प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन होने वाला है, तो वो आने नहीं आना मत था. Okay. So this year the colleges are much more prepared than last year, because last year March में suddenly बंद हो गया यार रातों रात. They have no idea what to do. This year I doubt GDP will be delayed because colleges are aware of that कि इस बार ऑनलाइन करना ही पड़ेगा. So GDP might happen on time. So this is the statistics as of today for the colleges, on time and delayed. All the best.